Good day everyone, mabuhay. Let me introduce myself first. I am Dave Murillo. This video or this presentation will explore the four key motivators. First is the physical, second is the cultural, and third is the interpersonal, and lastly is the status and prestige.
Physical motivators are factors that relate to physical health and well-being. Such as rest, relaxation, exercise, and medical treatment. During my experience in Sabangan, widely highlighted the role of physical motivators in shaping my interaction with the environment and the community. The stunning natural beauty of the rice terraces, the challenging hikes through lush landscape and physically demanding tasks of daily life in the village all profoundly impacted my perspective and powerful physical motivator. Cultural motivators are the values and beliefs. Cultural motivators are factors that influence people, decisions, and behavior based on their culture. They can include a desire to learn about other cultures or a sense of pride in one's own culture. Cultural motivators are described as curiosity that tourists have and want to experience different people, cultures, and lifestyle. My experience in Kaamulan Festival exploded with color and sound. Indigenous dance world costumes swirling under the sun. The air vibrated with the beat of drums and the joyous shouts of the crowd. Sharing delicious tribal food with friends, the warmth of the community was captivating as the performances themselves. It was a whirlwind and sensory delight, a vibrant celebration of culture and community that made me breathless and wanting more. Interpersonal motivators, this involves wanting to spend time with people you already know, like visiting relatives, to meet new people or drive interact with other people. My experience with this is when we went Hapitanan Beach in Cagayan to bond with my whole family and interact with other people. This experience demonstrates how interpersonal motivators can interact different people and connect other with relationship. These are identified with the needs of personal esteem and personal development. These motivators are also related to travel for business or professional interest for the purpose of education or pursuit of hobbies.